Well, the lawsuit filed by Mr. Charles Hatfield on October 10th, 1946, amazingly 75 years ago, essentially created the foundation for the law school to be created. It got the Louisiana state government into motion, and by September 1, 1947, classes were being held at the newly minted Southern University Law School, where 13 African American men were studying law for the first time in the history of the state of Louisiana as a group, with an opportunity to become lawyers. This had not happened since, obviously, many years ago. In the 19th century, there was a law school in New Orleans called Straight Law School, where African Americans did go to law school. But in the 20th century, that had not happened inside the state of Louisiana. So clearly, he is the reason why the Southern University Law Center exists today. I think Charles Hatfield, if he were alive today, would be very proud of what the Law Center has accomplished. One, it is now the most racially diverse law school in the state of Louisiana, and one of the most racially diverse law schools in the country. The second thing that I think he would be really proud of is the fact that so many graduates of the Law Center have been part of transformational changes in Louisiana and across the country. For example, Janice Clark, a 1976 alum, filed a lawsuit in 1986 to change how judges were elected in the state of Louisiana. And because of her bold action, along with colleagues and classmates like Ernest Johnson and others, now Louisiana has the highest number of African American judges per capita than any state in the country. Not only that, I just recently learned that Louisiana's district judges, 71 of them are Southern University Law Center alums, and our Law Center alums are the greatest number of district judges in the state. In essence, we outrank in that number LSU, Tulane, and Loyola, which I think is a great accomplishment 75 years after he filed the lawsuit. And then more importantly, we have expanded from a couple of small rooms inside of a library to an institution that has 900 law students from across the country and across the world. So we have become an institution that I think he would be very proud of. And I think the greatest thing that he would be proud of is that his grandson, Eric, graduated from this law center just last May. And that really would be a fulfillment of his dream. The Southern University Law Center is a resilient institution, and it will continue to grow and prosper because of the hard work of all those individuals who are faculty, staff, students, and alums, and recognize the uniqueness of the Southern University Law Center as a jewel in the higher education system.